Hello and welcome to Section 6, New Features in Tableau Desktop 2019.1. In this video, I'm going to demo a handful of new features that came out as part of the version 2019.1 and 2018.3 releases, as well as how to apply them in real-life situations. Starting with our first video, a demo of set actions. What are set actions? Set actions grab an existing set to update the values contained inside of that set, based on the user's action in the viz. Here I have selected all of the customers above the age of 55 to dynamically update the bar below. The pink represents values inside of the set, whilst the grey represents unselected values that fall outside of the set. This visual tells me that the percent of customers in the above 55 age bracket make up 15.2% of the total customers who joined a loyalty program for the exclusivity perks. Now watch how the bar updates based on what I select. This technique is referred to as proportional brushing. Another use case for set actions are doing asymmetric drill downs. This view shows me the list of customer names that belong inside of each bracket. It only expands when I click on the age bucket, and upon clearing the selection, the list collapses. Without further ado, let's take a look at how to create these set actions, starting first with proportional brushing. First, I need to make sure I create a set on age bin. Should just give it a name and call it age bin set. Then I'm going to go into the bar graph, the reason, and then drop the newly created set onto color. So back to the dashboard, I'm going to configure a set action called change set values, and then the source worksheet is the age bins. Target set is the customer, and then choose age bin set. I'm going to keep it on run action on select, and clearing the selection will remove all values from the set. See if that's working properly. I'm just going to go ahead and modify the color legends. What I might also do is label account distinct of customer name, and then do a percent of total by changing this into a table calculation. It needs to address the in and out of age bin set, and then partition by reason for joining. Okay, so now that's working properly. Now on to the next technique, which is asymmetric drill down. I'm going to start by creating another age bin set on a copy of age bin. And then make sure this time I don't select anything. Then I'm going to link the set with the calculator field. Call it asymmetric drill down. If age bin set to, then customer name, else age bin copy, end. So the calculation just means that if you select the age bin, then drill down to customer name. If not, then show age bin. Next, you're going to place age bin and the calculation in a hierarchy in this order. Then I'm going to place this on row, and then the asymmetric drill down calculation right next to it. So back to the dashboard, I'm going to add another set action. And this time my source worksheet is the list, and the target set is age bin set 2. Again, I'll keep it on run action on select, and clearing the values will remove all values from the set. Let's see if that's working. There we go. And these are just a couple of examples of how to use set actions on dashboards.